What's up, guys? So I'm gonna install the steering wheel. So what you'll need is a T30. Oh, that will focus. Come on, you bitch. Oh, fuck it. You're gonna need a T30 with an extension. And you will need a 17mm socket for the center bolt. I already pre-installed the steering wheel to the quick release to make my job a little bit easier. So all you really have to do is just take it out and then screw this into the to the hub. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is fairly simple. I mean, you really just put the screws in, put the shit in, and boom, that's it. So let's get started. They always say to take out the battery. Well, not take out the battery, disconnect the battery. But I never do that. I didn't do it the last time. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So fuck it. If it explodes, it explodes, and you see it, and you get to see some crazy shit. This shit goes in here. Recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so you have two T30 screws. So grab your shit. And there's one here. And one on the opposite side. So take that bitch out. Motherfucker. Okay. You got her on. And just, you can keep unscrewing all you want because the screw's not gonna come out. It has like a little system inside where it's not gonna move. Once it's out here, you feel it over here, it's loose. So, okay. Now you go to the other side and repeat the same shit. Okay. So once you take it out and loosen it up, here's what you got. So you have the airbag clips and the horn clip on the bottom. You just pinch it, pull. This one's always a little bitch. Oh. Take it out, put it somewhere safe, keep it, throw it away. I don't know, whatever the fuck you want to do. Come here, man. Zoom in. If you see right here, this little clip right here, you push that down and you pull it out. Because if you just pull it, you could fuck it up and rip the whole wire and you're fucked. So now that we have it out, want to make sure this bitch is straight. Take your hub. Shout out to NRG. Please sponsor me and send me more shit for free, please. So, now that you have your hub, you line it up with the little dot right there. This is the center point. You want to get this as straight as possible, because if not, your steering will be crooked and you're going to be turning all types of fucking ways. So now we're going to loosen the bolt in the middle. The 17mm bolt in the middle. The steering wheel moves, so I'm gonna put it back in place. Okay. I got it back in place now, so what you wanna do, loosen it, but don't take it out all the way. Because what you wanna do, if your steering wheel's stuck and it's been here on for a while, mine might just come out, so you gotta fuck with it until there you go. See how it's loose? Now, if you would have took this bitch out and kept doing that shit, you could have slapped yourself right in the fucking face, and that would have fucking hurt. So, now, take it out completely. Make sure it's straight. Forgot you want to take this plug out. This plug right here, you want to take this out so you could just pull out everything. And this one too. And boom, it's out. So make sure you have your clock spring in place straight. And I'll take your hub. And you want to tuck the wires of your airbag to the side. So after you put the hub on, you take your socket, your screw back on, and you just tighten that bitch down. So take your quick release off. Take your quick release off. And you would connect your horn with these, but I don't know how to do the wiring for the horns, but one of my boys knows how to do it. So it's simple. There's a dot here, and you connect it to the other dot that's here. This is already straight, so I just know this is gonna go exactly like this. So put that bitch on with the screws, which I have here. And you don't want to over tighten them, but you want to make sure that they're snug, because the last thing you want to do is strip this shit and then you can't get it out, and then you'll be fucking mad. So make sure you got them on there, and that is okay. So you take the Allen wrench that they provided you in the kit for the screws, and you just start tightening them. Don't tighten them all the way. Get each one and tighten it a little bit, and then once all of them are pretty snug in, that's when you actually tighten them, but don't go crazy. Installed the quick release to this already to make it easier on my part, but basically you do the same thing you did here to here. Just match up the holes and put the screws in, and now you have it done. And it's straight. So this is how it looks. Excuse the floors, dirty as hell. This is the carbon fiber shift knob that I got. So yeah, that's how you install an energy quick release, or quick release in general, anything. But
that noise is
yeah. That's how you make it. Well, that's how you do it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for future videos.